Log into AWS Management Console, go to Services tab, scroll down. You can find SNS under Application Integration section. Click on Simple Notification Service. SNS dashboard is showing that there is one topic already created. Overview of Amazon SNS is showing that the publishers are publishing messages to the SNS topic and those messages will be get delivered to the subscribers. Let me show you how to create a SNS topic. Click on Topics, click on Create Topic, give the topic name, then you can give the display name as well. Then scroll down. I am not giving any optional details at the moment. Click on Create Topic. Now the topic is successfully created. Scroll down and see the list of subscribers. Currently, there are no subscribers added to this topic. Let me go ahead and add subscribers. Click on Create Subscription. In the protocol section, we need to specify the type of endpoint the subscribers would be using. Click on Select Protocol. If the email has to be added as a subscriber, we need to choose email. Then specify the email ID in the endpoint field. Once the email ID is been specified, scroll down and click on Create Subscription. You can see that the email ID has been added as a subscriber for this topic and it is in pending confirmation. SNS is sending the email confirmation to the endpoint just to ensure that you are the authorized user of this email. Go ahead and log into your email inbox. You can see that there is one email has been received from the SNS. Click on Confirm Subscription. Now you can see that the subscription is confirmed. Go back to the SNS. Click on Refresh. Now you can see that the email subscription is confirmed. Go back to the dashboard. Now the dashboard is showing that there are 2 topics and 2 subscriptions created for SNS. That's it for this lecture, understanding how to create a SNS topic and how to add subscriptions to the topic. We'll see you in the next lecture how to add SNS topic to the publishers like CloudWatch alarms. Thank you.